I needed some sun protection for my giant head, so I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I am standing outside in the wilderness and the sun is just beating down on me like Antifa on a World War II veteran, and I want to cover this big noggin, prevent me from getting all sunburned and chapped and irritated and red. So what I need is a really big hat. I wanted a bucket hat, a safari hat, something like that, but it's got to be really big. And a little story for you, I actually went on Amazon and bought this hat that was XXL, and I put it on and it was way too tight. Way too tight to wear unless I wanted to shrink the crown of my head. Just for reference, this is a standard size batting helmet. And if I put it on, you can see this is how big my head is. Also, I am standing about 100 yards away from the camera just to get my head in the frame. So my head is ginormous, and maybe some of you have the same problem I do, just really big brains. And so I went on the web, you can just Google stuff now, and found a company, and it says it right there. I think it's LAMOOD hats. Oh, the mood. Yeah, LAMOOD big hats. You can check out their website. This is the juniper, and this looks like what I need. It's actually very light. I think it's some sort of synthetic material like a polyester or nylon, something like that. You can see here we have that mesh venting on the side. Because I was going to wear this outside, I wanted it to be, one, light, as well as airy and breathable. So it should have pretty good sun protection. We got the bucket rim all the way around, and then inside we do have this little, I wouldn't call it elastic, but just the slightest bit of stretchiness in it, like sweatband layer. So as I sweat, I sweat, should kind of capture it in there. I also want to show you the bottom here because we also have two little fabric loops, and then we have this clip. It kind of looks like a chin strap that's kind of a long version of like those eyeglass straps. But what's really cool about this is that these will come off. So I know sometimes these are sewn in there, or there are little eyelets and they are strung through there, so they're permanent. So if you don't want this, and sometimes I just don't want it hit my chin banging around, you can take it off, but you can also put it back on. You can take it off, put it in your pocket because it's very light, and then you do have a little adjustment strap here. So I really love that feature, but I love having the chin strap in case it's really windy and you don't want to lose your hat. You're on a safari, or you're on a Jeep tour, a bike, an electric scooter, you're riding your motorized carry-on, whatever it might be. So the question now is, will this sucker, even though this is their XXL, and I will say they had an XXXL, triple XL. I want to see if this one will fit. By the measurements, it should. I thought it said 7 5/8 to like 8 1/4. So if you go bigger than that and you have a really big head, you are still going to be able to be served by LAMOOD. So let's go ahead, real time, try this sucker. Oh, I'm kind of worried. I feel like this could easily be too tight. No, in fact, oh my gosh, I could pull it all the way down because, look, it's super big. In fact, oh, it's comfortable. There's just a little bit of play, which means it's not putting any pressure on the head, but it is holding itself in place. Perfect. Oh, look at this. My ears are covered, my big giant noggin, my face, these chiseled cheeks and strong jawline can all be covered by the hat. And, oh, I can sweat and vent up here. So this is really nice. In fact, you know, if I put it right up there, man, yeah, I look like I'm about to go on a 3-hour tour on the USS Minnow and get stranded on a desert island. So if you are looking to go outside this summer with your giant head, well, check out LAMOOD hats because I finally found one that works for me and this giant noggin. So now, off to my baseball game. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.